My friends, today I want to share something very simple but very important. How to plan your day. Many people ask me, Jack, how do you use so many things? How do you manage your time? Let me tell you, I'm not smarter than you. I just plan my day a little differently. When I wake up, I do not look at my phone. I don't check messages. I sit down and think, what are the three most important things I must finish today? Only three. If you try to do 10 things, you will do nothing well. But if you three things, you do them perfectly. But here is something most people don't understand. You must write these three things down the night before. When you wake up, your mind is fresh. But you, but if you spend your morning thinking what to do, you waste your best energy on planning instead of doing. The successful never know the secret. They plan when the day is finished. So when tomorrow comes, they can start working immediately. Your evening planning creates your morning power. Most people they let their phone control them. Someone sends a message, they answer. Someone calls, they talk. But your day is your life. If you let anyone control your time, how can you control your future? You must decide what is important, not other people. Let me tell you about energy and management. Your energy is slightly every task you do costs energy. You spend your energy on small important things first. You will know energy left for big important things. It's why poor people stay poor and successful people become more successful. Poor people spend their best energy on urgent or unimportant tasks. Rich people spend their best energy on but not urgent tasks. Rich people are you. I know my energy is best in morning, so do my hardest work first because it feels strong at night. Do you important work at night? Understand yourself, use your best energy for your most people and important task. Life is never smooth. Problem comes before disturb you. Things change. That's why I always skip something extra time by change my task. If a meeting takes 1 hour, I plan for 1.5 hours. If something unexpected happens, I'm ready. This is not wasting time. This is being smart. Here's another truth. You must learn to say no. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something important. When someone asks for your time, ask yourself, will this help me reach my three most important goals today? If the answer is no, you must say no. This is not being rude. This is being smart. Your time is your life. If you give your time to anyone, you give your life to anyone, but your life belongs to you and your dreams. Many people think being busy means being productive. This is wrong. Being busy means you are doing many things. Being productive means doing the right thing. I see people working 12 hours a day but achieving nothing important. I see other people working 6 hours a day but achieving everything they want. The difference is not time. The difference is focus on what matters and know what doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I always ask myself, what did I do well? What can I improve tomorrow? This is how I roll. If you do this every day, you will see big changes in your life. But remember, planning is not enough. You must also track your progress. Every week, look at what you accomplished. Are you moving closer to your big goals? Or are you just staying busy? If you're not moving forward, you must change your plan. A good plan that you follow is better than a perfect plan that you ignore. Start simple, stay consistent, and improve slowly. It's the path to success. Remember, you're not poor because you have no money. You're poor because you have no plan. If you cannot control one day, you cannot control your life. Start with today. Plan your three most important things. Use your best energy. Prepare for problems and review at night. Do this for 30 days. and you will see yourself become stronger, smarter, and more successful. My friends, the best time to start is now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Your future is created by what you do today. Go and plan your day. Make your dream come true.